Hi. Today we are going to see an indicator called SIP indicator. What this indicator does is, it shows you year-on-year returns that one could make in a stock or any financial instrument, upon systematically investing money into it. So here we can see that, the SIP indicator shows us year-on-year returns that we could have made, had we invested in the Nifty index. So here, in the current year, if we had started investing since January, by now, we could have made around 13% returns. It also shows our average buying price. All this assumes that you invest the same amount each month. In the year 2023, we could have made 16%. In 2022 we could have made almost 6%. And so on. If we go further back, in the years 2016, 2011, and 2008, we see a loss in our investments as the markets were down in those years. But, that's not all. Let's see the input panel of this indicator. Here we have a drop-down list. It has two options, year-by-year data and range data. We just saw year-by-year data here. It shows us the yearly percentage returns of a stock. Let's see what the range data is. Upon selecting the range data option, we can adjust the date range within which we want to monitor our investments. So for example, I want to see what returns I could have made had I invested in months starting from May 2024 and ending in July 2024. As I click OK, I see my investment returns for those months mentioned here. In those 3 months, I could have made roughly 6.5%. Now I have changed the date range to May of 2023 to December of 2023. And immediately, we can see a label on the December 2023 candle, which tells us that we could have made 13% returns on our investments within those months. But, there is more. We have another drop-down list here. It has two options, the start of the month, and the end of the month. Some people prefer investing at the start of every month. And some prefer investing at the very end of the month. So for them, we have these options. If you select the start of the month option, then, the investment will be made on whichever is the first trading day of the month. And, if you select end of the month option, then, the investment will be made on whichever is the last trading day of the month. I'm going to select the end of the month option now. See, with the start of the month option, we have 13% returns. Now, with the end of the month option selected, we have almost 11% returns. So the returns vary as per the options we select. Let's see a wider picture. Right now, I have selected year-on-year data. So we can see the returns of each year. And as of now, we are seeing the returns when the end of the month option is selected. Now, see the change in data as I select the start of the month. An important point to be noted is that this indicator strictly needs to be applied to monthly charts only. Otherwise, it shows such an error message. I'm making this indicator available to everyone, to use for free. The link to the indicator is given in the description. Just copy and paste that link into a web browser. Such a page will open. This is my TradingView profile, by the way. Do follow if you like. Then scroll down a little. You will see this Add to Favorites button. Click it. Now open any monthly chart. Go to the Indicators section. Go to the Favorites section. Here you will see the SIP indicator. Just click it. Now you are free to use it. Thanks for watching.